Small problems in your car can slowly turn daily driving into a hassle. So I took time to research and pick 3 practical car tools that focus on solving real, everyday issues drivers actually deal with. These are simple upgrades designed to make driving more convenient, organized, and stress-free without overcomplicating things. All product links are in the description below. Let's start with number 3. At number 3, if you want Bluetooth in your car without sacrificing your cigarette lighter socket, this is worth a look. This is the Baseus Solar FM transmitter. Unlike standard adapters, it uses a magnetic base, so you can mount it cleanly on your dashboard or windshield. It has a built-in solar panel that helps maintain its internal battery. You pair your phone via Bluetooth 5.0, match the FM frequency shown on the display to your car radio, and your audio plays through the speakers. It includes a vibration sensor that automatically wakes the device when you start driving, which keeps things hands-free. It also supports hands-free calls and offers an O input if you prefer a wired connection for more stable sound. This model is popular with drivers who want a cleaner, wire-free dashboard setup without cluttering the center console. Keep in mind, the solar charging is supplemental. After long night drives, you may still need to top it up using the USB-C port. If you want wireless audio while keeping your 12-volt ports free, this is a solid option to check out. At number 2, this one's for anyone tired of tangled charging cables taking over the center console. This is the 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger. It plugs into standard 12-volt to 24-volt sockets and focuses on keeping things organized. The standout feature is the dual, retractable Type-C cables. You pull them out when needed up to about 31 inches and they automatically retract back inside, keeping your dashboard clean. It also includes 2 extra ports, one USB-A and one USB-C, so you can charge up to 4 devices at the same time. The charging head rotates 180 degrees, making it easier to adjust for different vehicle layouts. Drivers appreciate the built-in digital voltage display, which helps keep an eye on the car's battery status while driving. One thing to note is the height. In cars where the power socket sits inside a tight compartment, the fit can feel a bit cramped. If you want to keep multiple devices powered without cable clutter, this is worth checking out. Number 1, this is for home mechanics. Tired of guessing what a check engine light really means? This is a wireless car OBD2 scanner that connects to your vehicle via Bluetooth. Instead of just showing basic error codes, it scans multiple vehicle systems on a clear screen, helping you understand what's happening under the hood. It supports common maintenance functions like oil resets and system checks, making routine diagnostics easier at home. Some models also allow basic active testing, helping verify whether certain components are responding correctly. These scanners are popular with DIY drivers who want clearer information before visiting a mechanic. If you want better insight into your car's issues without guesswork, this is worth checking out. This list should help you decide which tools fit your driving needs best. All product links and details are in the description. Subscribe for more practical car gadget reviews.